student. Here we are doing redox. It is level 3 NEET and IIT exam. It is very important. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and do all these exercise which I am giving to you. Definitely you will get success. You are the best and deserve the best, and parents love you very much. So no need to hesitate to tell whatever you are feeling about the studies. Okay, all the best my child. Cr272 negative gives you CrO3. So here chromium is in +6 oxidation state. Suppose chromium is having X, so we will write down 2X plus oxygen is having -2 charge, so -2 into 7 times oxygen is equal to -2. This is charge on the ion. Okay, so it is coming to be X is equal to 6. Calculate out, X will be equal to 6. Here this is also +6 oxidation state, so there will be no change in oxidation state, so no electron transfer, so 0 oxidation state. Okay, no change in oxidation, no change in oxidation. Yeah, now BrO3 1 negative plus Br 1 negative plus H in acidic medium. So what will happen? Br2 is obtained. Br 1 negative is oxidized to Br2. -1 to 0 oxidation state is changing, and here BrO3, here Br is in +5 oxidation state, so oxidation state is reduced. Okay, so oxidation and reduction both takes place. That is why this is called disproportionation reaction. Very important and crucial equation I will tell you about. I negative plus I2 form triiodide ion. So this triiodide ion, we are taking it as average oxidation number. For example, it is forming Ki3. Ki3 is the ionic compound of it. So K is having positive charge. Suppose I is having X oxidation number, 3 times X is equal to 0. So 3X is equal to 1. So X will -1. So X will be equal to 1/3. Okay, so we will see that it is -1/3, but electron transfer cannot take place in fraction. That is why we can say that it is average oxidation number, because it is composed of 3 iodide. So 2 iodine here, 2 atoms are 0 oxidation state, and 1 iodine is having negative charge. Clear to you? So no need to worry. You learn like this only. This is coming in the match the correct ones. Now we will go for MnO4 1 negative in acidic medium. We know the oxidation state of Mn is +7 here, and in acidic medium it is converted into Mn2 positive. So transfer of 5 electron takes place. It will gain 5 electron. Gain of 5 electron takes place. Okay, so it will gaining 5 electron. That is why here change in oxidation state 5. So M/5 will write down about the equivalent weight. This option they will give you here molecular weight and equivalent weight.